Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Remove both Airpods and the charging case immediately and stop any charging. Once out, shake gently to dislodge pooled water and blot external surfaces with a lint-free cloth. Make sure to avoid compressed air or hair dryers because heat forces moisture deeper and can warp components. After blotting, open the case lid, separate the Airpods, and position them with stems down to allow gravity to help drain internal channels. This is the critical first move that buys you time. Next, focus on controlled drying. Place Airpods and case in an airtight container with multiple silica gel packets, spacing items so air flows between them. This draws moisture without residue. Once done, leave undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours in a stable room temperature spot around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Heat speeds up evaporation, but too much causes damage. Make sure to check for residual moisture after 24 hours. If you still see droplets, extend the desiccant period rather than applying force or heat. Finally, after adequate drying, inspect the charging contacts and speaker meshes carefully. Use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab to clean corrosion or residue. Make sure everything is visibly dry before attempting to charge. Once charged, pair to your device and test each earbud and mic across calls and media. If any feature fails, no audio, intermittent connectivity, or charging errors, stop using them and seek professional repair or replacement. A key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist, avoid further charging and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.